Hello everyone, I'm Man. Welcome back to TechBlock. Today we have a very cool package here sitting on my table from Synology. I've been waiting for this for so long. Like over the past few months on the channel, as I've started to upload more and more videos, the amount of storage I need to store all those video files on has ran out. I ran out of storage basically on my PC. I have like a 1 terabyte hard drive hooked up to my router there, but that's maxed out. I have 2 terabytes of hard drive storage in this PC. They're both completely full, and I've got like, I think just over 1 terabyte of SSD storage, slowly maxing that out as well. So Synology could not have like contacted me at a better time, as they've sent me out one of their NASs, and man, I think there are like 16 terabytes in here. I'm so excited to actually like set this guy up. I have no idea where exactly I'm actually going to be placing this NAS though. As you know, it's pretty big, and chances are what I'm going to be doing, or what I'm going to be working on over the next like month or two, is like an updated networking tour, I guess. As I am planning on upgrading to 10 gig Ethernet, I'm probably going to need like a 10 gig switch. I'm getting a new router, I think, either this month or next month, and this does support 10 gig Ethernet, and I think this may have come with like a 10 gig card, but I don't know. We're gonna have to unbox it, set this guy up. I've never had a NAS before, so this is going to be like a learning experience for me, setting this guy up for the first time. But yeah, I look forward to it, and I don't think it's actually going to be like that hard. The hard drive's are already in there, I'm pretty sure everything's like, you know, good to go. So now that's all been said, let's open this guy up. Right, time for another unboxing video on the TechBlock YouTube channel. We have the DiskStation 1618 Plus. Goddamn. Oh, dude. Oh, man. Finally, my storage problems will be solved. We have this kind of box. I don't know what's in here yet. We have the NAS in here, I believe. Very well packaged by the looks of things. Is this how you unbox it? We have a Synology 10 gig Ethernet adapter for Synology NAS servers right here. Thank you so much, Synology, for sending this out to me. And then we have the NAS server itself in here. Very well packaged. Let's, you know, unbox everything. God damn, this is actually pretty heavy. Damn, okay, I think that's upside down. Flip it over, dude. Right, we have Reimagine Your Wi-Fi, Synology. They got some routers, a quick installation guide. This I might actually need, as I've never had a NAS before. Oh! Right, so here we have the Synology DS1618 Plus NAS server here. Damn, this guy is a beast, dude. Oh man, this is crazy. We got 2 massive fans at the back here. I hope this is a silent unit, but you know, we'll put that to the test. We have an eSATA port, we have 4 Ethernet ports, 2 USB ports, another eSATA port, we have AC in, and then we have a PCIe like little slot here, I guess, for our 10 gig Ethernet card, or an optional M.2 drive instead. So I'm gonna put this guy to the side, as we got some other things to unbox here as well. Then we're gonna power it on in just a second. Right, so we have this box here, there we go. Very easy to open. This has all the cables by the looks of things. Cool. We have an Ethernet cable, we have another Ethernet cable, and then we have a power cable. We have some kind of Synology tool here. We got some screws. God damn. Then we have the 10 gig Ethernet card here as well. Oh man. Oh, this is the best day ever, dude. Honestly, thank you, Synology, so much for sending this out to me. Genuinely, thank you so much, guys. Oh man. Right. We got the 10 gig Ethernet card here. Very well packaged. Look at this little guy, it's so small. We have our 10 gig Ethernet port there. Damn, this is gonna be going into the NAS. Unfortunately, at the moment though, I don't think I have like any 10 gig compatible, you know, hardware ready. So I'm probably gonna be making like a separate video once I upgrade to, you know, 10 gig Ethernet in this room. But yeah, we have everything we need, I believe, to begin, you know, setting this guy up. We got our power cable. I've just realized as well what this is for. So we have like a little tool that we're going to use to, you know, open up the little hard drive base here and actually, you know, take stuff out or put stuff in. So, okay, it's gonna get, it's kind of like a key. That's crazy. Right, so I think I've unlocked it. Aha. No way you just put it. This is crazy. Just pull the hard drive out. Holy crap. We got the Seagate Wyldwolf 8 terabyte NAS drive in here, and we have 2 of them. We got 2 of these bad boys in here. Oh man. So this is cool. Let's pop the NAS drive back in. This is so simple. Look, it just goes back in. You lock it, there you go. Your hard drive is installed. Right, let's actually use the key again to lock this guy. Right, so boom, locked. Now no one can steal your hard drives. Right, I don't think there's any way I'm gonna be able to, like, you know, put the NAS here and actually plug it into my router without just having like a horrible Ethernet cable running across my entire room. So I'm gonna probably put the NAS like on the other table there that's just behind the camera and just set up like a new temporary networking setup, I guess, so I can actually like plug the router in via Ethernet and, you know, give it power and everything. So gonna set it up just over there behind the camera. I think whilst I'm, like, you know, redoing this whole networking setup, we're gonna have to turn the internet off. So goodbye everything. Just disconnect everything. Well, the NAS kind of just turned itself on whilst I was like redoing all of this, and I know that this looks so horrible. It's kind of a mess at the moment. I don't have much space in this corner of the room, and I definitely need a new table, and I think I'm getting a new table pretty soon. So this is all probably going to be moved very, very soon. But this is how it looks like right now. The NAS is running. We have 2 of the hard drives detected. Status is on orange, and yeah, I think we have to set it up. Right, so I've got the quick installation guide. The NAS is turned on, it's plugged in. We should have internet now, I hope. And yeah, we got some instructions here on how to install the hard drive. Well, we've done that. The hard drive's already in there. And then we have to go to http://find.synology.com. Right, so disk station 5000. Will this work, or do we have to type in the other URL? I don't know. Oh, disk station, Synology disk station? God damn, below info will be used to manage your Synology NAS. Okay. We're mainly going to be using this server to archive all the footage that I was recorded on my camera. Alright, so it's the next day right now. I spent many hours last night setting this up, doing research about RAID setups, about Synology disk stations in general, as I wasn't too familiar with these kind of subjects. And now I'm kind of getting there, you know, I'm learning things. So I've currently got everything set up with the Synology hybrid RAID setup, with data protection of 1 disk, I guess for like fault tolerance. So if 1 drive fails, I won't lose my data, as I guess they're just replicating the data on the other disk. It's kind of like RAID 1, but better, because you don't waste storage. I'll leave an article in the description down below so you can read up more about the Synology hybrid RAID setup. But that's currently how I've got everything set up. I've got 2 8TB Seagate Ironwolf drives in there. And yeah, it's pretty much like a RAID 1 setup at the moment. And yeah, I've got pretty much 8TB to play around with. I think I've consumed like half of that storage already. I pretty much offloaded like 3TB of footage and, you know, just like YouTube video stuff onto the Synology disk station over there. So we're gonna max it out pretty quickly, I think, as in October alone, in video files we had, I think, around 490 gigabytes, if not a little bit more. And that's me recording at 1080p 60 FPS on a Canon G7X Mark II camera. So next year I am planning on upgrading to like a 4K 60 FPS setup, and my god, I can't imagine how much storage we're going to take up every month then, but it'll probably be over 1 terabyte if I keep uploading, you know, like 15, 16 videos a month. But luckily we've only populated 2 of the 6 hard drive bays that we have in the Synology disk station. So if we do max out one of those drives there, I'll just pop in another 8TB drive. When we max that out, I'll pop in another one, and another one, and another one, until we pretty much max everything out. It's probably going to be future-proof for many, many months to come. So thank you, Synology, for coming to the rescue here and saving me, you know, helping me out with my storage needs here with your Synology disk station. I look forward to actually posting more videos about disk stations from Synology, and it's kind of like storage things in general. As I've kind of come to the realization, now that I have one of these guys like in my room, and there are 4 empty bays there, and, you know, I've got quite a lot of storage to play around with, I guess, I don't really want to have hard drives like in my PC anymore, as the data transfer speed from my PC to the NAS is currently around, I think, 110, 115 megabytes per second, which is great. I mean, it's a hard drive, they're not really like fast or anything. So, you know, 100 megabytes per second is fine with me, especially if it's over the network here. And I'd much rather have, you know, like more space in my PC, less cables everywhere, just have, you know, much cleaner cable management, as I won't have nearly as many SATA cables or SATA power cables as well. So cable management in the PC will be a lot easier now. So I'm probably going to take out both the hard drives out of my PC as they're both just 1 terabyte hard drives, and I've got like 1.25 terabytes of SSD storage in the PC right now, and I don't really want hard drives in general. They're slow, and I've got like 4 SSDs in my PC right now, and I'd much rather just stick to SSD storage. And any files I need to like archive, I can just throw on the NAS, and they can just be there, sitting, waiting to be, downloaded or, accessed whenever I need them. So yeah, that's kind of my plan at the moment. In the next PC build, there will not be any hard drives. There will just be SSD storage, which, I'm going to be happy about, and I'm going to have all the hard drives just, in the Synology NAS, which will make cable management inside of the PC a lot better. And I'm kind of surprised I haven't invested in a NAS like earlier, as I'd much rather have my hard drives in a NAS rather than them being inside of my PC, But yeah, that's kind of my thoughts about, hard drives and NASs at the moment. Let me know what you guys think about all this in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But apart from that, everyone, thank you very much for watching. Thank you to Synology for actually sending me the disk station. I appreciate it. And yeah, I look forward to making more videos about storage and stuff in the very near future. So apart from that, everyone, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.